Hi and welcome to the first video on this channel. In this one, we will do a digital walk through one of the most stunning type of factories in the new era. We will discuss the purpose and the design of a Tesla Gigafactory. To understand the functionality of a Gigafactory, we need to understand what made Tesla successful in the first place, because this has a major influence in the design of their production site. All regular car manufacturers are highly dependent on other companies which produce a large number of components for their cars. These companies have also many suppliers, and so the supply chain keeps getting longer and longer. This adds up to about 75% of the car's value. Tesla does this completely different. They produce as much as 90% of their components on their own, and by doing so, they stay completely in control of their supply chain and can make improvements as fast as they discovered them. If you ever sit inside of a Tesla, you saw that it looks completely different to a regular car. This is because the engineers at Tesla have the freedom to radically overthink pre-existing designs and to come up with extraordinary solutions. Another way to support this freedom is to connect engineering and manufacturing locally. At Tesla, it's always just a short way from your engineering desk to the shop floor, and the formalities for testing of disruptive technologies are heavily reduced. Let's jump over to how they added these into the design of their Gigafactories. I already told you the supplier problem of the car industry. Even Tesla could not do every manufacturing step on its own, so they teamed up with Panasonic and a few other suppliers to work together in one facility. This integrated factory made communication between the involved parties much easier and allowed employees to work together like they belong to the same company. To produce a Tesla car, you need two main parts: the actual car and the battery pack. And both production lines have to be precisely synchronized to work properly. The whole process is highly automated, and the inner of a factory looks more like the inner of a spaceship than a regular manufacturing site. Everything is clean and in a pure white color, with endless working robot arms filling up the space. Even at this high level of using robots, a factory needs about 10,000 employees to work at full capacity, which gives us a hint of the scale that these factories have. Tesla powers their factory with 100% green energy from renewable resources like solar, wind and geothermal energy. To further improve sustainability, they include a state-of-the-art recycling system for old battery packs, which operates as a direct source for the production of new battery packs. There are currently 4 Gigafactories out there. One in Nevada, which is the original one and the blueprint for every other Tesla site. The other US plant is located in Buffalo, but its main purpose is to build solar panels for Tesla's subsidiary company Solar City. Gigafactory 3 is located in mainland China, near Shanghai, and started production in January 2020. The newest factory will be located in Germany, near their main capital Berlin, and is currently under construction. As already mentioned, the battery pack is the most important component, and the amount that Tesla plans to produce of these is enormous. They plan that one Gigafactory has an output of 50 GWh storage and battery packs per year. For comparison, the total output of the entire advanced battery industry in 2014 was only 53.3 GWh. So Tesla plans to match nearly the entire world production of 2014 in one factory. Elon Musk says that the exit rate of lithium-ion cells from the Gigafactory will literally be faster than bullets from a machine gun. What a statement! And this sums up the entire concept of a Gigafactory pretty good. It's a large risk to build enormous factories like this, but if they operate properly, it pays off massively, and I'm pretty sure we will see factories like this more often in the future. Thanks for watching, and if you have any feedback for my first video, I would be happy to read it down in the comments. And if you like this video, it would mean a lot to me if you subscribe to this channel.